Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. Let's find out and deep dive what are the hidden energies, what are the messages. Let's find out what are the hidden feelings of your partner, the person in your mind. What do they want to say? What is hidden? What are the hidden emotions? Let's find out. One card for you, one card for them, and the messages around them. This we are doing to find out the things which are unsaid, just to repair, heal, and help them to come up with the issues they might be facing and the things you need to align according to the relationship. Let's find out and deep dive. Card for you. I have started liking someone else now. It's not your mistake. So you want to say that you have started liking someone else. Okay, so that thing is disturbing you. What's hidden in their emotions? I don't want to hurt you ever. So moving away from you. So they know that you are involved somewhere else. So might be they are moving away. This is the energy of your partner. The person with whom you are married. Already in relationship. Okay, let's see. What are the messages? Let's deep dive. For you. I couldn't let you get close to me. Okay, so you didn't allow your partner, the person you married, might be. You didn't allow and let them get close to you. Maybe शायद पहले से ही emotions नहीं थे, ज़बरदस्ती शादी हुई थी. Yeah, you are not emotionally involved, and now you have started liking someone else, and you don't want to blame the person because it's not their mistake. Your emotions were not there in the relationship. What's there more? Finding out the truth crushed me, and the person you married or the person already you are with is crushed up knowing the truth, and so they don't want to hurt you and they are moving away silently. What's there? I look for you everywhere. You came closer than anyone. So the person wants to say that you came closer to them, but things are not working, so want to move on. They love you, so for your good self they are moving on. Maybe I know that I crossed the line with you. Okay, one card for them. I remember every detail of that day. Okay, सो एक पर्टिकुलर दिन में कुछ हुआ है, कुछ चीज़ें पता चली है जो आपके पार्टनर को थोड़ा सा डिस्टर्ब कर गई है, थोड़ा नहीं बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्टर्ब कर गई है. एंड दे लव यू, दे डोंट वांट टू हर्ट यू. यू आर माइट बी कि आप खुश है तो आपकी खुशी देख के दे आर मूविंग अवे फ्रॉम यू. सो ये जो डिस्कशन हुआ था या कुछ इवेंट हुआ था या जब उनको ट्रुथ पता चला, सो उसके बाद से वो वही इवेंट को याद कर रहे हैं बार बार. एंड बस दे हैव डिसाइडेड टू मूव अवे फ्रॉम यू. Let's relate this with timing, and let's try to know what is the divine timing when maybe things will settle down between you. यहाँ तो मुझे दूर जाने वाली एनर्जीज दिख रही है. सो मे बी द पर्सन यू आर मैरिड, या डिवोर्स की बात हो रही हो या कुछ और रिलेशनशिप में एंटर होने की बात हो रही है. तो एग्जिस्टिंग रिलेशनशिप वाली एनर्जीज है जहाँ से आप मूव ऑन कर रहे हो. ऐसी मैं एनर्जीज यहाँ पे कलेक्ट कर पा रही हूँ. तो एग्जिस्टिंग रिलेशनशिप को अगर आपकी तरफ से देखा जाए तो आप एग्जिस्टिंग रिलेशनशिप को छोड़ के कहीं और इन्वॉल्व हो गए हैं इमोशनली. जो आप फिलहाल जो करंट रिलेशनशिप है वहाँ पे आप इन्वॉल्व नहीं थे. You have started liking someone and you're not blaming your current partner for that because you were never emotionally involved there, and now you couldn't let the things go away. So let's align the things and find out कि ये current relationship कब close होगा so that you can move forward, and आपके partner आपको शायद छोड़ने के लिए, मूव अवे होने के लिए, आपसे दूर जाने के लिए तैयार है, क्योंकि यू नो बिकॉज दे नो दैट यू आर हैप्पी इन दिस. यू वर नेवर इमोशनली इन्वॉल्व विद देम, सो दे नो दिस रियलिटी एंड जस्ट नॉट टू कैरी द बर्डन ऑफ द एक्जिस्टिंग रिलेशनशिप, knowing that you are already involved in somewhere else, so they want to let you free. Let's find out when you'll be free. When the healing happens. Okay, September का कार्ड है. मे बी आई थिंक दिस मंथ इज ऑल्सो सेप्टेम्बर. सो ये सेप्टेम्बर शायद चीज़ें कुछ टर्न आउट हो, या ये करंट रिलेशनशिप से या ये करंट एनर्जी से आप फ्री हो, सो दैट आगे मूव हो आप. एक और कार्ड लेती हूँ. अप्रैल. सो सेप्टेम्बर है, अप्रैल है, और आपकी हीलिंग है. मे बी सेप्टेम्बर आप जितना जल्दी हील हो जाए, एंड सेप्टेम्बर में कुछ बड़ी चीज़ें हो, एंड देन अप्रैल में शायद चीज़ें कंक्लूड हो. सो ऐसी मैं एनर्जीज यहाँ पे देख पा रही हूँ. So September is important for you. April is September से लेके अप्रैल तक का time maybe would be important for you, and things will turn out as per the requirement, and you might be getting a divorce or closing the existing relationship so that you can move on in your new love life. So let's hope for the best. Thank you. Stay blessed.